Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull from Renee of Paris Nadarans. Today I'm working with the lovely Avalon. This is Avalon, which is new from my collection, the Alexander Couture collection. And this is also a new colour. It's smoke ivory and exclusive to the Alexander Couture collection, which is a gorgeous tone-on-tone tipped blonde, which is kind of got this grey silvery tone, a lovely natural regrowth in there, and nice white tips towards the ends. What am I going to do today on Avalon? Well, I keep getting often people saying, Alex, please can you show us a high ponytail? So today is the day. Now Avalon is a lace fronted wig, ladies and gentlemen. So you can wear that back off the face and it's like it's growing out your head. See what I'm doing here, look, ladies and gentlemen? I'm just lifting this sectioning up, making sure the sections are relatively neat. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is brush and comb this back into a band. I'm now going to switch this down. I'm going to split this area of hair here. Swatch, split this area and tuck this round. So the first section we have looks a little bit like this, okay? And then what I need to do is just need to test that I've got a pocket in here, okay? So I just put my two fingers in there. Have I got a pocket? Yes, I have. Just got myself just a small little silver clip, which I'm just gonna use just to pin that out of the way. So I've just got a nice tail comb. I'm gonna take the preloaded band, which I have here. Okay, again, I'm gonna turn this band round, turn this band round, look, okay, like so. So it's like this. So effectively, I've got this one and this one. Then, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna pull this pony through this side, so it sits like this. And then, to give me the height, what I'm gonna do is take the section underneath and pull this together. And then that, ladies and gentlemen, gives me this very cool high ponytail. I'm just going to come in with some of the ROP protective holding spray. And what do you think, guys? Is this a technique that you'll use? So coming to the end, so I've just done my high ponytail with Avalon. I created this with two different ponytails. One which I looped and used that as my anchor. Then I put the second ponytail through to give us that gorgeous body. But doesn't that look amazing, ladies and gentlemen? Doesn't that look brilliant? You know, Avalon in smoke ivory just looks fantastic. So that took me no time at all. No bobby pins, 2 hair ties, and that's all it took to create that gorgeous look. What do you think? Is this something you're going to be doing at home? Please let us know. What do you do for high ponytails? I'd be really interested to know what your high ponytail trick is, whether it be on bio hair or wigs. Look forward to hearing it. But for now, guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm Alexander Turnbull. This is the Renee of Paris channel. Please remember to follow us on all forms of social media, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.